Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I have brought you a super solution on how to get rid of your dark knuckles. Are you one of those people that have been embarrassed by dark knuckles and you don't know what to do about it? Worry no more, because after watching this video, you will be on your way to saying goodbye to that situation. And it will interest you to know that you don't even need to spend so much to achieve this. So sit back, take your pen and paper if possible, and jot down what you need to know or what you need to have or the things you need to put together to achieve this. So our first ingredient for today's solution is sweet potato. You can either use sweet potato or Irish potato. For today's purpose, we are going to use sweet potato. So we'll just go ahead and peel this sweet potato. By the way, my name is Maria Oga and I welcome you to my channel. If you like what I am doing, please don't hesitate to give this video a like. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you love it, so that you will keep seeing more of my videos whenever I upload one. So like I was saying, we just go ahead and peel the potato. After peeling the potato, cut it into smaller sizes like this. Yeah, and then blend it. If you are using Irish potato, you can either blend it or you grate it, because Irish potato is softer. But for this, you can hardly grate it. So just blend it and you have it looking like this. The next thing is to go ahead and sieve the chaff. Sweet potato is fully packed with vitamin A and C, which is very good in maintaining a healthy skin. It also has the ability to fade dark spots on the skin, hence our reason for using it as a major ingredient here. When applied to the skin, it has the ability to give your skin a nice glowing tint by preventing it from the sun rays and then treating sunburn. That's it prevents the sun rays from harming your skin, and it also treats the harm that the sun has already caused. It also has collagen, which help to keep the skin together. So you can see that the importance of sweet potato in this solution cannot be overemphasized. So in a fresh bowl, we'll go in with 3 spoons of this potato juice. Here's our 3 spoons. The next ingredient we'll be adding is lemon. Here's our lemon. A medium-sized lemon will be enough. What we need is just 3 spoons. Are you wondering what I'm doing? I'm giving this lemon a press so that the juice can come out easily. You can see how soft it feels now. When you do this to your lemon, you can juice it easily. So cut it open and juice out 3 spoons. If one medium-sized lemon, if the lemon you have cannot give you 3 spoons, you can go ahead and use 2 or 3 as the case may be. But in this case, I was able to get 3 spoons from this medium-sized lemon. Lemon juice also contains natural vitamin C, an antioxidant that can help you achieve radiant skin. It also serves as natural exfoliant, which plays a major role in removing old skins and revealing new ones, hence lightening up your skin and giving them even tones. So one major ingredient you need to add to your solution for your skin to be evenly toned is lemon. After adding your lemon, mix the solution thoroughly and then go in with 1 full teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda is widely known as a skin whitening agent. Hence, it's one of the reliable ingredients to follow when you need to treat your dark knuckles. You can see how it's foaming. That is the power of baking soda. And lastly, our last ingredient is honey. Honey has several benefits to the skin. We all know honey as a popular treatment for skin. Its natural antimicrobial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties make it very good for treating various skin conditions, including dark knuckles, which is the case today. Hence, its inclusion in this mixture. So after mixing it, our mixture is ready. You can then go ahead and apply to the necessary parts of the hand using a cotton wool. Dip the cotton wool in the solution and scrub your skin with it, one after the other. Do this to both hands and allow it to sit for as long as possible before washing. I'll advise that you do this after bathing so that you can carry it for long and when you don't have any chores to perform. Because if you do this and you carry your hands back into the water, it will wash it off. You can as well do it at night before going to bed so that you carry it through the night. After doing this for 1 week, I assure you that you must have achieved your result. And if your case is so bad that it cannot fade totally in 1 week, you must have seen at least a reasonable difference, and you continue this until you get total solution. Thank you very much for watching to this point. And yes, if the whole of your hand needs the treatment, maybe your hand is suffering from sunburn, you can apply this to the whole of your hand and you will have a glowing skin. Thank you for watching to this point. See you in my next video. Bye.